All right, welcome back. So in this video, we are looking at Sailboat. It's another Carnegie Mellon activity. This is part of their Introduction to Programming curriculum. So first thing, we're just going to kind of work our way down here. It says, draw the picture shadows. So this is this shadow right here that we're drawing. And it says, hint, this should be a regular polygon like the sky. Okay, so the sky is going to be a regular polygon as well. So we need this right here is the regular polygon. So one thing about this, so when we do polygons or regular polygons, like with a polygon, you do the different points. You might do point here, point here, point here, point here, and so on. Where this is not going to be that way. This is the polygon right here, or the regular polygon. And it says it has a radius and then points, and that's really all you need, as opposed to where the polygon, you're going to then pick the points that you want. Okay, so just something to kind of make you think about that a little bit. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with this. And this is this one right here, is this the regular polygon. So that is 210. 210, that's its location, and then the radius is going to be the next parameter, and then the number of points is 7, and then we are going to fill that in, and that's going to be tan. Okay, so that's this one right here. We can see the color tan. Now right now we just got this. Okay, so let's go now. It says draw the sky and the sun, so we're going to draw the sky here and then the sun. So that has a regular polygon as well. Okay, and then see if we can find that one right there. Okay, so that's going to be another regular polygon, and that one is 200, 200, and then there's our radius of 180. And we have 7 points for that as well. And then we're going to fill that in with powder blue. Okay, so and then these are going to be two circles. You can see one right here and one right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and run that. Now we filled this in, but we're going to end up doing the C down here. So, and those, notice it has point numbers. So this is like point number 1, 2, 3, 4, just those right there. Okay, but we'll get to that here in a second. Let's first draw now our circles. And these are both going to start at 270, 200. Oops. And then it is radius 65 for the first one. And we're going to fill that in with, what do we got here? Orange red. Yeah, that's our first color. And then the other one's going to be a gradient. Oops. Okay. And then there is opacity there too. So let's do that. And that's 70. Okay, so we'll run that. And there's our first one. Now we're going to do this inner one. And it's going to be the same radius. Oh, actually it's going to be a little less. It's going to be inside that, so 55. And then we're going to fill that in, but it's going to be a gradient. Oops. Orange and then orange red. Okay, so we can run that. There we go. Now we're going to draw is the boat and the two sails, and those are just going to be all polygons. Okay. So draw the boat, left sail and right sail, place your code here. Those are all going to be just polygons. In fact, I'm just going to do this. No, let's just leave this. Okay, so our first one here is this one, 60,205. And then we got the points. So this is point 1, and then 90 to 40, and then 160 to 40, and then 190 to 205. And we're going to fill that in, and that's going to be that dim gray. And then we're going to fill that in with dim gray. Okay, so if we run that, it should look like that. Now we'll take care of the C here in a minute, because that should be last. It's going to go over top of a little bit of the sun and stuff. Another polygon. And this one, let's do this one. So this is point 1, 130, 145, 130, 205, and 190, 205. And then we're going to fill that in with lime green. Oops. Okay, run that. There's our next one. Now we got this one. First point is 60,205. 125, oops. 125, 205. And 125, 135. And we're going to fill that in with forest green. Perfect. We're almost done. So now we'll just work on the C here. So that is this one, okay? And that's going to be another polygon, and that's going to be down here. So it's going to be 25 to 40, 120, 365, 280, 365, 375, 240, and we're going to fill that in with Cade blue. Okay. Oh, cadet blue. All right, let's run that. There we go. All right. That looks perfect. All right, hopefully this helps you with your coding. Good luck.